TrueCoach is the all-in-one platform to run and grow your personal training business, with total control and no subscription fees. We've worked with in-person and online trainers to build the most complete system that brings every part of your business together. The platform uses Notion because it's free, fully customizable, and scalable, so you're never limited by how many clients you can manage or slowed down by monthly subscription costs. For the app, we decided to focus on three main areas: clients, coaching, and business. All three areas can be accessed from the home dashboard, where you can quickly view, manage, and organize every part of your business in one place. Each client has a private portal page where you can share and organize things like workouts, progress, session notes, and more. Each portal is modular, so you can drag and drop different sections, and we've provided instructions to help you add any tool or extension to better manage your clients. For the coaching aspect, we have a number of tools across fitness and nutrition. Let's start with fitness. There's already an existing library of movements with example imagery, so you can start creating workouts, recovery routines, and warm-ups instantly. Choose from a range of pre-made session formats or build your own, giving you complete coaching freedom to design workouts your way. Using these different sessions, you can build training plans and longer-term programs tailored to various goals. When you get a new client, simply copy an existing plan, make any necessary adjustments, and move it to their page. It's that easy. Across nutrition coaching, there's a library of ingredients with calories and macros added, allowing you to create meals with nutritional information. These can then be used in meal plans aimed at helping achieve different client goals, such as weight loss or muscle building. Training and meal plans can be assigned and shared with clients easily, and coaches and clients can access their programs or portals instantly using the free Notion app or widget, making it quick and easy to track workouts at the gym or check shopping lists on the go. The client can see today's planned workout and start their session, adjusting weights and reps, tracking lifts, switching views, and opening example images or videos instantly. To further enhance your coaching, we've included a variety of tracking tools within client pages. Simply click on a relevant tracker, and it's instantly created for that client. You can set targets and monitor progress across areas such as cardio, weight, body measurements, nutrition, and strength, as well as advanced metrics like heart rate, speed, endurance, and VO2 max. You can also track a client's workout progress. Each workout type has its own tracker, automatically generating metrics on their exercises and overall performance. This allows you to identify trends, pinpoint weak areas, celebrate progress, and offer a deeper level of insight, setting you apart from the competition. This dashboard aims to give you as many ways to train and manage your clients as possible, so you can have freedom and flexibility in your coaching. Finally, let's cover the business aspect of the dashboard. It gives you the tools and strategies to track, plan, and grow your business. Let's start with tracking. On the Finances page, you can organize your income, such as session invoices or plan payments. Here, you can also visualize your monthly revenue and expenses on the built-in chart, allowing you to better track your business growth. In the Leads table, you can manage all your potential client leads and keep track of their contact details, status, and source. You can also add notes for each lead, detailing their pain points, objectives, and concerns, allowing you to better tailor your communication and increase your chances of signing them as a client. To plan your business, we have a Goals and Tasks page that helps you boost productivity, set deadlines, and outline your business vision. This ensures you stay accountable for your own goals, not just those of your clients. You can also plan your marketing and social media activity. Here, you can schedule and organize posts, track engagement, and build your brand and audience. To accelerate your business growth, we've provided resources to enhance your skills across all areas of personal training, from niche coaching to communication and marketing. These resources will help you become a leading personal trainer. There's also a page with detailed tips on how to acquire new leads and increase client retention. Additionally, we've included some of our favorite strategies to help you boost your hourly rate, introduce new income streams, and accelerate your brand and business. Since launching TrueCoach, over 1,000 coaches across more than 50 countries have downloaded it, replacing expensive subscription apps like Trainerize, as well as boring, unprofessional spreadsheets. We've also been working closely with our customers to add more features, tools, and capabilities to the platform. all while ensuring seamless functionality with a range of automations, buttons, and detailed stats. All customers receive lifetime access to future updates, so the dashboard will continue to improve as Notion introduces new capabilities. If you're an in-person, online, or hybrid personal trainer looking to manage your clients, enhance your coaching, and grow your business, this dashboard is designed for you. It includes everything you need to get started: a video and written setup guide, over 50 wiki pages, and an AI chatbot to help with building programs, sharing, and customization, allowing you to easily match it to your brand and coaching style. So even if you're new to Notion, you can create a free account and get set up in minutes. Start now and unlock your ultimate coaching platform with instant lifetime access to TrueCoach. Follow the link in the description to download. Thanks for watching.